Dealing with a not launching error for Skate 4? Don't worry. Here are the most effective troubleshooting steps to get you back in the game. First, start with the simplest fix. Verify that your computer meets the game's official system requirements. If it does, completely restart your computer. This can resolve many temporary software conflicts. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer like NVIDIA or M. Download the latest drivers and perform a clean installation. Now, try running the game as an administrator. Right-click on the Skate 4 shortcut or exe file and select Run as Administrator. This grants the game the permissions it might need to access crucial files. If that doesn't work, verify the integrity of the game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click the game in your library, go to Properties Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will find and replace any missing or corrupted data. Another common culprit is your antivirus or firewall. They can sometimes mistake game files for a threat. Try temporarily disabling them or adding Skate 4's exe file to your security software's exception or allow list. As a last resort, if the problem persists, a full reinstallation can often clear up deep-seated installation errors. If none of these steps work, check the game's official social media channels or support website for news on a known issue or an upcoming patch. We hope this helps you get back to skating.